let's talk about how to properly clean out this dishwasher. A lot of people forget to clean the filters on these things.
Wow, beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty nasty, huh? So that's the thing. So first off, make sure to pop this thing out right here. Just simply pop it out and then unscrew this, take this part out. You got to make sure you remove all the pieces that are removable because you'll be surprised how much dirt and grime you find down there. Look at all that. That is just nasty. So make sure you thoroughly wash this with vinegar and Dawn dish soap. You can use any dish soap. It doesn't have to be Dawn, but I use vinegar and Dawn soap with some hot water. And again, remove everything that's removable. You see, all that stuff is hiding. Then take a brush and use that cleaning solution and scrub everything thoroughly. And I mean everything. Make sure to scrub it. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean or a sponge. And once you finish all that, turn it on for a cycle to clean while it's completely empty to make sure it's nice and clean and ready to go.
There you have it. Now that you know how to properly clean your dishwasher, it's your turn.